how can I make this? Like, I have made this, I can't believe it. Like, Manvi, well done. I'm very happy with you. Hi guys, my name is Manvi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making a DIY collage wall. I have seen a lot of collage walls on Pinterest and I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing them as well. So I thought, why just do that? Because this strip of wall is literally empty. Half of this wall is taken up by my wardrobe and half is taken up by my non-existent window, which hasn't opened since 20 years.
Eventually.
So yeah, that's why I thought I might just utilize this space and make a very aesthetic corner in my room, basically, I can say. So yeah, let's just start with the video and stick up the pictures on the wall. So yeah. So first I went on the OG Pinterest and searched for some black and white pictures or some random pictures as well, just to do the aesthetic. So I just saved them and made a board out of it on Pinterest as well, which I will link it down below if you want a reference of it. And I just downloaded the pictures I liked basically. So yeah, there are a lot of pictures on Pinterest, to be honest, like a lot. Let's print them on. I just did the black and white one. It's not like I want them black and white, my printer had black and white ink. So yeah. Now let's cut them up because we want the perfect amount of size to stick them up on the wall, right? So we have Bahamas, Hawaii, a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's just cut them up now. We have so many pictures, oh my god. So basically, I have tried a lot of tapes on room and I have seen कि जो clear tape जो होती है, the clear tape, that kind of rips off the paint from the wall. So I have tested and tried this tape. It's like a medical tape which you get in a pharmacy. It doesn't rip off the paint. So yeah, I'm gonna use this tape. It's not a lot. I hope it works out.
And it goes a little something like
we're in trouble because tape खत्म हो गई है and we're stuck. इतनी ही wall हो पाई आज यार. I was so aiming to finish this today, but आज इतना ही हो पाया. I don't have any other option now, so I'm gonna go tomorrow and get some more tape, and most probably I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. I hope so. And yeah.
Day 2.
We got this finally. So I'm gonna show you a picture now. And just pause the video, okay? Take your time and just guess what it is, because I don't know. Because I've heard few people saying that they don't understand what this picture is. I'm facing it like this way basically. Like, just tell me what it is. Take your time, as much as you want. Just tell me what it is. If you couldn't guess it, then guess it now. Don't @ me, please, okay? Don't @ me, please. It's a freaking world map, okay? Few people, I showed to few people and this way, and they were like, this is an abstract painting. I was like,
Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you.
And we're done. We're done with the collage wall now. It's finally done. I'm so happy like how it turned out. I wasn't expecting that it would turn out so damn good. But it is looking like dope as fuck. I'm amazed that I have did this. Like this has turned out so damn good. Like it's just like how I wanted it. And I can't believe I'm gonna wake up every single day watching this wall. Just so amazing. This is so good. It's literally my mood board. Like literally like Mandi. Like literally Mandi. It does everything. Like places I want to visit, my favorite quotes, and my favorite albums, and basically my aesthetic, which I like, to be honest. I'm very happy with it. Like how it turned out. Oh my god, like oh no. I'm so happy, like oh my god. I literally created like a mood board, like kind of like a like Pinterest board basically of black and white pictures I liked on Pinterest. So as a reference, if you want, I can link it down below. That this black and white is complementing so good with this lilac purple color, to be honest. It's complementing so good. How can I make this? Like I am making this, I can't believe it. Like Manvi, well done. I'm very happy with you. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I know most of the people are not subscribing to the channel and are still watching the videos. 80% people have subscribed to my channel, which is kind of not done. So please subscribe to the channel and join the family, as it will help me to grow this channel and make better content in future. And you can follow me on my Instagram, as I create a lot of content on my Instagram account. So you do want to check that out, right? So you can follow me over there. My Instagram profile will be somewhere over here. Go ahead and follow me there. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Bye, 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 bye.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.